Hey everyone, CJ here with Diode Dynamics. Today, we're going to show you how to install our all-new chase light kit for the Kuat IBEX Bed Rack on my 2021 F-150. Let's get started. Begin by sliding the T-nut into the T-slot on the underside of the IBEX rack, making sure it aligns properly with the slot opening. Next, use a larger bolt and washer to loosely mount the C2 bracket to the rack, making sure the lip on the bracket is facing towards the rear of the vehicle. Keep the bolt hand tight to allow for adjustments later. Once the bracket is secured, hold the C2 pod in place to determine an ideal mounting height. For this install, we'll be using the center mounting holes. After deciding on the height, install the 4 set screws into the unused mounting holes on the pod using a 2.5mm Allen key, ensuring each screw sits flush with the side surface. If these are already installed, you can either relocate them to a new position or leave them mounted as they are. Now, take the C2 mounting screw with the lock washer and attach the pod to the bracket, leaving this hand tight for now. Repeat this same process for the other light. Next, open the hood to access the vehicle's battery. For this installation, you can either use the included harness with its switch or wire the pods into the optional D-switch hub. Regardless of the method, begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal by using the appropriate socket size for your vehicle. Secure the ground wire from the harness to the negative terminal, then reconnect and tighten. Repeat this step for the positive terminal. If you're using the included switch, route it through the firewall and into the cabin, making sure to stay away from any hot or moving parts. If you're using the optional D-switch hub, disconnect the switch at the white connector on the harness and install the included auxiliary tap wires. Then, using a multi-purpose wiring tool, cut and strip the blue and yellow wires. Remove the cover from the D-switch hub. Route the stripped wires through the opening on the D-switch. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, loosen the terminal screw for the desired switch output. Connect the yellow wire for the main beam and securely tighten the terminal. Next, loosen the backlight terminal and connect the blue wire to the bus bar for the backlight. Tighten this connection as well. Once all wires are in place, reinstall the D-switch hub cover. With the switch connected, route the DT plug from the harness toward the rear of the vehicle, keeping away from any hot or moving parts. On this F-150, we ran the wire through the fender, along the running boards, and up the back of the cab. The extension connector is located near the center of the vehicle. Note that this may vary depending on the model. Route the extension cable down the bed and along the running board to meet the main harness connector. Once routed, connect the shorter end of the extension harness to the light. Repeat the process on the opposite side, connecting the longer DT plug to the second light. both lights connected, test their functionality. After that, position the pods where you want them on the crossbar and tighten down using a 13mm wrench. Adjust the up and down aiming and tighten in place using a 3mm Allen. Grab the included wire retaining strip and use a pair of scissors to cut it into 1-inch sections. Route the wire neatly through the rack channels, inserting the retainers as needed. Finally, use zip ties to secure any loose wiring, keeping it clear of any hot or moving parts. And that's it. Your chase lights are now fully installed, wired, and ready to hit the trail. With the main beam on, you can see this kit adds a ton of output out back, along with an extra red running light. If you're interested in picking up a set of these or any of our other IBEX Bed Rack kits, check out our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on any new or future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.